Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Ninjatrader with Crosstrade. Let's begin. So if you go to the Crosstrade website at crosstrade.io, you'll be greeted by this page where it says connecting TradingView to Ninjatrader for automated trading. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to download the app. So if you want the app or the application, you're going to go to this button here where it says try Crosstrade free. So then you're going to create your account. So you're going to enter your first name, your last name, email address, and then your password, and then select this box here. You go to tick it, and then it says, by creating an account, I agree to this website's privacy policy, terms of service, and trading disclaimer. So once you've signed up, you'll be able to download the application on your desktop. So once you have Crosstrade on your desktop and you have Ninjatrader, so step 1, download and install. Download and install the Crosstrade add-on. So you're going to download the add-on first. And then step 2, enable Ninjatrader. Enable the ATI on Ninjatrader to accept the TradingView alerts. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to enable the ATI after you've opened up Ninjatrader. And then the last step, create alerts on TradingView. Add the webhook URL and alert info to send your trade to Ninjatrader. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.